Good morning and happy Friday. My name is Jeff Wagner and I'm a mortgage banker. My good friend Ron Merrill, who owns C&M Moving and Storage, and I started a group and we call it Hamburger Wednesday. Once a month on a Wednesday, we're looking for the best dive hamburger place in town and we're rating it. Our first meeting was a few weeks ago at Christian's Tailgate. We rated it a 74 out of 100. This is with 10 folks coming to the group. So our next Hamburger Wednesday is Wednesday, March 5th at Bubba's Burger Shack. Rob from our group suggested it, and it's at 59 in West Park. I've never been to Bubba's, so I'm looking forward to it. I heard it's an institution here in Houston for hamburgers. So please let us know if you can make it and join us on our quest for the best dive burger in town. We look forward to hearing from you and have a great day and an even better weekend.